day, you open your eyes to a world radiating with vibrant color. You're completely immersed in every shade and every tone, in every nuance of every hue, and every experience becomes richer, fuller. This is the world of Contoura Vision, where the deepest blues and brightest teals of the water invite another splash, where the warm, glowing reds and oranges inspire a kiss at sunset. A world where every day reveals a new palette just for you. With Contoura Vision, you can get more out of these moments. It's LASIK that uses today's most advanced technologies to map up to 22,000 unique elevation points on each eye. It's a personalized treatment that 98.4% of patients said they would get again. It's personalized vision that illuminates every feature of the brilliant canvas that surrounds you each day. With personalized vision, with Contoura Vision, you can experience the stunning color in everything around you. And that makes every moment more real. Contoura Vision is about you and real.